Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11th science. Student, now we have to study the preparation of alkyne, that is carbon-carbon triple bond. As you know very well, we are studying chapter hydrocarbon. That hydrocarbon chapter has divided into 4 parts. That is alkane, alkene, alkyne and aromatic compound. We have industrial method and non-industrial method also of the preparation of alkynes. In our textbook, we have 2 industrial method has been given in our textbook for the preparation of alkyne, and the 2 methods of the preparation of alkyne from the process is dehydrohalogenation. Let's see. Now, this preparation of alkyne, it is an industrial method for the preparation of alkyne from the calcium carbide CaC2. Calcium carbide CaC2, it is the formula for the calcium carbide. This calcium carbide undergo hydrolysis to formation of acetylene, that is C2H2 will form. In presence of water, the hydrogen of water is getting attached with this C2 carbon. Formation of CH, triple bond CH will take place. This calcium carbide is prepared by heating limestone by the reaction with the coke. We don't have to prepare calcium carbide directly. We have to write the reaction of the preparation of acetylene from the calcium carbide. This is the actual structure of calcium carbide. The valency of carbon is 4. So this is carbon-carbon triple bond, and this is the 4th valency, and calcium valency is 2. So this is the structure of calcium carbide. 2 water molecule is utilized over here. The bond will broken down in this way. CH triple bond CH will form, and calcium hydroxide will form. As the valency of calcium is 2, so CH twice will form. Acetylene, you know very well, carbon triple bond is said to be as an acetylene. Common name for CH triple bond CH. Preparation of alkyne by another method, that is non-industrial method, from dihalide. Here we are using the dihalide as vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide means the halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom, different carbon atom, to the different carbon atom. To the different adjacent carbon atom is said to be as an vicinal dihalide. In presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide, alcohol will not form. Unsaturated compound will form step by step. After one halogen will remove, then we will use this reaction with as an sodamide. So another halogen will also remove to form triple bond compound. Let's see how. The first step followed by the alcoholic potassium hydroxide. And even we have geminal dihalide also. Even we can prepare from geminal dihalide also. Now this compound is a geminal dihalide, and even we have vicinal dihalide also. Let's see how we can prepare the alkyne. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide, beta elimination will take place. Beta elimination will take place. One of the halogen atom will remove, and next to the halogen atom there is a beta hydrogen. So beta hydrogen will remove. Initial state, the first step, there is an carbon-carbon double bond will form. Beta hydrogen and OH will remove. Minus KBr and H2O. And vicinal bromide is obtained. In our textbook, student, it is given by vicinal dihalide. We will see that also. Just have a look for the geminal dihalide. Now, geminal means halogen atom attached to the same carbon atom, that is geminal. Now, this is vinyl bromide. We will use sodamide. And even we can again use alcoholic potassium hydroxide so that beta elimination can favor. KBr and H2O will be removed. And even you can use sodamide also. Now, student, this vicinal dihalide it is given in our textbook. That is, halogen atom is attached to a carbon atom, two different adjacent carbon atom. That is vicinal dihalide. In Marathi we say that वेगळे for different. So V for वेगळे, V for vicinal dihalide. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide, halogen will remove and beta hydrogen will remove. Then vicinal dihalide, vinyl halide will form. Vinyl chloride and beta hydrogen. Vinyl chloride is obtained. Vinyl chloride can be treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide or the sodamide. Sodamide is sodium amide, NaNH2. This is sodamide. Na and Cl will remove, NH2 and beta hydrogen ammonia will remove. Answer the question. Number of sigma and pi bond between the two carbon atom of the carbon calcium carbide. You know very well. Double bond is, multiple bond is a pi bond and single bond is sigma bond. 2 pi bond and 3 sigma bonds are there in all. Number of sigma and pi in between two carbon atom they have said, not in all the compound. So carbon triple bond carbon, so 1 sigma and 2 pi. 1 sigma and 2 pi, option number D. Calcium carbide react with water to produce acetylene and calcium hydroxide. The bond length between the two triple bond carbon atom has, they have asked 1.20. Remember carefully, bond length between the carbon carbon triple bond. Just knowledge point of view. Physical property of alkyne, except acetylene, all are odorless. All alkynes except acetylene are odorless. Acetylene has an odor. They are polar and have slightly higher boiling point than the alkane and alkene, because carbon carbon triple bond can be, electron density can be shift. The melting point, boiling point increases with the increase in the molar mass. Alkynes are insoluble in water but quietly soluble in organic solvent. Now in our new syllabus textbook, we have one more method, that is from terminal alkyne. Okay, so next time we will see the preparation, which is also a new method has been given in our textbook. Then we will start the reaction. So next time we will see, inshallah. Thank you.